Now you are here in Egypt for fun and to enjoy your time. So there are some touristic keywords that I'm gonna be teaching you now so you can use them while you are here in Egypt. First word, the word museum. Museum, we call it متحف. 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 Say it. Great. Again. One more. Well done. Okay. Then we have the word pyramids. أهرامات. أهرامات. Pyramids called أهرامات. أهرامات, it's pyramids. Okay? Then we have the word temple. We call it معبد. 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 For example, Luxor temple, we call it معبد الأقصر. Then Sphinx, we call it أبو الهول. أبو الهول. أبو الهول. أبو الهول. You know, I really love Sphinx. You know, it's something that shows power. You know, أبو الهول. أبو الهول. Then we have the word Nile. We call it Nil. Nil. So Nile River, we call it نهر النيل. نهر النيل. نهر. نهر. Say it. النيل. نهر النيل. Okay. Then we have the word sea. We call it بحر. 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 Okay. بحر. Then we have the word mountain. We call it جبل. 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 Then what about the word valley? We call it وادي. 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 Okay, say it. وادي. Okay, fine. Last word, the word island, we call it جزيرة. جزيرة. Say it. جزيرة. One more. جزيرة. Say it. Okay, well done. Okay, that's all for this part for now. Let's go to the next part together.